All right. Well, over the weekend I got this bag that says it's compostable. And we have, here we go. There we go. And we have a composter, so I'm going to put this in the composter. And I made soup, so here's all the like trimmings. And oh, I also bought flowers and there's some carrot peel there. So we'll see what happens over the next couple months. It should turn into nice rich compost that we can use in the garden. We've been putting garden waste in here and some food waste in here. And these are morning glories. And it's the afternoon. And they're very happy still. I think they're a little confused. All right, so I think I need 2 hands to get in here. Oh, no, I don't. There we go. Now you can see. So all sorts of things in there decaying. There's a corn cob and corn husks and a McDonald's bag with things that are recyclable, like paper in there and recycling. So we'll see what happens. All right. Thanks for following. Here's the morning glory. All right, bye.